If you're running an online business, you know the importance of a smooth user experience and a responsive website. But here's something equally crucial: your web hosting service. Today, we're discussing the 9 compelling reasons to choose Magento Hosting Services. So sit tight and let's take a closer look. Reason number 1, performance. Magento-specific hosting is optimized for Magento's architecture. It means faster loading times, smoother user experiences, and ultimately, more sales. Coming in at number 2 is scalability. Magento Hosting Services provide dependable scalability options, seamlessly expanding as your business does to avoid any lags or downtime. Third on the list is security. Specialized Magento Hosting Services offer robust security measures, from SSL certificates and VPN to firewall configurations. Security updates avoid threats like data breaches, phishing, malware, DDoS attacks, and SQL injection, offering a barrier against unauthorized access. Reason number 4, dedicated support. When something goes wrong, you want immediate, knowledgeable support. Magento Hosting Services offer dedicated customer service that understands the intricacies of Magento. In ensuring smooth operation, they handle regular server health checks, patches, backups, database management, and application-level support. 5. SEO benefits. Fast-loading e-commerce websites rank better in search results. Magento Hosting Services are tuned for speed, giving you an SEO edge. The next benefit is customization. Magento is all about customization, and so are its hosting services. You can easily tailor your hosting environment to fit your specific needs. The robust and flexible servers are designed to manage all Magento customizations and updates effectively without compromising speed or functionality. Moving on to cost effectiveness. With scalable solutions and performance optimization, you only pay for what you need. The hosting provider efficiently reduces server-related costs by tracking idle resources and optimizing usage times. 8th on our list is regulatory compliance. Magento Hosting ensures your e-commerce business adheres to key industry standards like PCI DSS. It includes data encryption, firewalls, regular security audits, secure network architecture, patch management, log monitoring, access controls, and compliance documentation. And finally, reason number 9 is server monitoring. Magento Hosting Services offer persistent 24x7 server monitoring, checking resources, services, and traffic. It ensures optimal performance and high security and improves the overall shopping experience for your customers. And that's the rundown. We've explored the importance and benefits of opting for Magento Hosting Services. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more.